Good everybody, it's Calvin Beck here from Easy Rider Motorcycles. I'd just like to introduce you to this radical custom Breakout. It comes with this beautiful grey paint job with the flames on it. It's got custom mags with the Milwaukee coordinates on. It's got LED headlight. It's got a custom breather with custom foot pegs and brake paddles. It's got a 110 motor which equates to a 1800cc, so it packs a lot of power. It's got the big radius, Vance & Hines pipes. It's a beautiful bike this. Come and view this babe and let's ride.